In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Squarespace support fast. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to type so you can get help without wasting time. Start by opening your Squarespace site in the editor or dashboard. Look to the very bottom left corner of the screen for the help icon. It usually appears as a small question mark or speech bubble. Click that icon. This opens Squarespace's help panel, which is your gateway to their support resources. If you're prompted to view articles first, that's normal. Squarespace tries to suggest answers automatically. Don't worry, we're heading straight to a real person. From that help panel, follow the link that takes you to the main support center. Once you're on the support center page, scroll down until you see the option labeled Contact Us. It can sit below the featured help topics or after a few recommended articles. Click Contact Us. If you land on a page that introduces contact options again, click Contact Us one more time to proceed. Sometimes there's an extra confirmation step to make sure you're signed in and routed to the right support queue. At this point, a chat window should appear, or you'll see a prompt to start a chat. In the chat field, type your concern clearly and concisely. Begin with a quick headline like billing question about my subscription or issue publishing a page. Then add the key details, what you were doing, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If there's an error message, include the exact wording. Mention the page or feature you are working on, and note when the issue started. The clearer your first message, the faster support can help. If the chat suggests related articles before connecting you, skim the titles to see if one directly addresses your issue. If not, continue in the chat to reach an agent. While you wait, gather anything that helps the conversation move quickly. Links to the affected page, recent changes you made, or a short description of your site setup. Avoid sharing any sensitive information. Keep screenshots handy as the agent may ask for them. Once you're connected, stay in the chat so you don't miss responses. If you need to step away, mention it so the agent knows you're coming back. When your question is resolved, save the chat transcript or key instructions for future reference. That's it. Click the help icon, choose Contact Us, click through. If asked again, and type your concern in the chat with clear details. You'll reach Squarespace support fast and get back to building your site.